How to fix a zero-turn tractor tire at home. A Zach production. So as you can see, the earlier you saw, the wheel is pretty badly damaged, so you're gonna have to first use a lever and raise the tractor up. This is so you can take the wheel out and perform work on it. So the method we personally used was to support the tractor on some wood. We had some wood lying around. Other materials will do as well. If you have like bricks or concrete lying around, that should work as well. Just anything to lift it up a little bit. And this is a bit of a close-up on the tire itself. As you can see, it is pretty badly damaged. But don't worry, it can be fixed, and this is caused by the air getting out of the tire. And yeah, so in this video we are going to be showing how to fix, how to repair, and get this tractor back working in full condition. And yeah, as you can pretty clearly see from a lot of different angles, this is the current condition of the tire. Clearly not the best shape it's been in its years. So first you have to open up the wheel nut, and this can be used by that tool. It'll like turn, as you can see, and you basically are going to have to loosen the nuts. And yeah, so you have to loosen all 4 of the nuts, and in order to do finer adjustments, just use your hands. And yeah, hopefully the tire isn't beyond repair and can be repaired on your own. If you're having trouble repairing on your own, make sure to seek out a professional who can help you out.
Back, maybe.
So this is a bit more video how we used the overall damage. As you can see, it's only that one tire, and also it's pretty substantially up in the air. So yeah. So first you should definitely try opening the tire up using just your hand. And if this does end up working, great. Follow some later steps in the video to find out how to further achieve this once you've opened. However, if yours is like us, it didn't really open up with our hands. We tried. Open it up with a stick this time. Kind of hit it a few times. You have to make sure it comes out, but it may not work either. Ours didn't. So we tried a screwdriver, and this is what ended up working. So the way we did this was we put the screwdriver into the grooves that were left behind by the air flowing out, and just pulled the tire back out of itself. And afterwards, make sure press on the tire and such that all sides of the tire are touching the rim of the tire. And this will probably require quite a bit of pressure. So then, fill the tire with compressed air. This is going to be the same kind of pump. You probably have it for filling up your bicycle wheels, any car wheels, really anything. This is going to be the same pump. You're going to need just take the pin off, and standard procedures for filling the tire back up. So yeah, just fill the tire back up with air. when filling the tire with air, make sure to follow the instructions that are put on the tire. This is going to say how much air you put into the wheel. And now, I didn't say this earlier, but when you're doing the lifting with the sticks, you may need some more support.
You have to move this.
So, in that case, just add some more wood. And I would recommend not having one person do this job, as it is extremely difficult to lift with only one person. So once the tire is blown back up, insert the wheel back into the slot, and you may need to move some wood to do this, as you saw earlier. And then put the bolts back on. You can kind of tighten them with your fingers. You're then later also going to need to use the tool used earlier to tighten them some more so they don't come loose when in use.
Zach.
Right, done?
Yeah.
So yeah, luckily our tire was recoverable, and hopefully yours is as well. Which at this point we are done with the tire. It is completely finished, and so now you can take the wood out from under it, and take the lever out that we used, and put the tractor back onto the ground. So, yeah, if that was helpful, like, subscribe, and comment as well. Yeah, maybe go on like an alt or two. Like and subscribe on those as well. You don't have to comment on those. That might be a bit annoying. But yeah. Anyways, have a good day, guys, I guess. That's it from us.
Button, but
And now we are able to go back to collect some more leaves. As you can see, there are quite a few leaves still left over. Have to collect the rest of them. Hard day's work ahead of us, isn't it? Thanks for watching. As I said before, like just recently, like, subscribe, comment. Do that on an alt too. Yeah, thank you.